Hey guys, welcome back to sa channel natin guys. Today, tignan natin tong Dark Country, isang NFT game guys kung saan ay libreng-libre to. Pwede tayong kumita dito guys sa paglalaro lang ng kanilang game dito. So by the way, ang game na to guys, isang TCG or trading card game kung saan guys ay pwede tayong kumita. So if you want to buy card, meron din tayong buy cards naman din nandito. But if you want to play this for free, you can play this game naman din guys. Of course, meron din tayong kitaan dito sa mga gustong kumita dito guys. By the way, 2019 pa sila nag-start and ngayon guys is actually playable pa rin yung game niya and meron pa rin silang earnings dito. So ilalagay ko naman guys ang link ito sa description natin. By the way, downloadable to dito sa PC kung gusto niyo laruin sa PC to guys, dito sa Ultra, sa HIO, at saka dito naman din guys sa Google Play para sa gustong laruin to guys sa mobile phone natin or sa Android naman. Ayan, over 32,000 yung game downloads nito. At saka yung tournament prize pool niya guys is 20,788 USD. Ayan, so this is over 1 million pesos din guys. At saka PvP rounds played already is 50,000 plus na rin. So meron silang land dito which is yung land system nila. So enter the realm of Dark Country Gothic universe as a fierce soldier or wise landowner. Engage in the lucrative adventure of thrilling quest, heroes staking and asset leasing, participating in epic guild wars and forming strategic alliances. So, ayan. So, play for free guys. Ito yung kanilang game dito. Kung gusto yung i-try ito, gusto yung tignan. Tignan natin ito guys. Actually, if you wanted to play the game, pwede namang laruin siya guys actually. So, rekta na yan siya guys. So, ito yung game niya. So, American Gothic din guys. More than 13,000 sold na daw yung mga items nila dito. Ayan. So, yun yung sample guys ng kanyang game or gameplay niya. So, ito yung mga cards na possible na makukuha natin dito. Bibili ka din ng mga cards dito. So, dito guys sa Dark Country is meron tayong free starter deck naman din dito. So, immersive into PvP matches. Pero syempre, may lamang din kasi guys pag meron kang NFT dito. Ayan, gain value each item, trade natin yung assets natin, at saka keep multiple chains naman din. So ito yun siya, makikita natin yung gameplay niya. So if you wanted to try this, pwede yung i-try naman din to guys. Ayan, so without hidden fees tayo dito. Yeah, this is good. So you can collect card, and itong card nila guys is tradable naman din to. So NFTs are available sa Atomic Hub, Simple Market, Viv3, Black to Bay at saka sa Top Expo. So we can trade. And NFTs are available here. And then earn by playing. So we can earn here by playing the game. So players can turn adventures into earning SDM tokens through activities on the lands and PvP matches. So pwede natin siyang exchange guys sa Wax Flow. And then sa meron naman tayong versatile value exchange naman din dito. Ayan, so ang roadmap niya, pre-launch guys ng 2019 pa. And kanya guys is 2025. And by the way guys, kung gusto nyo i-try ito, try nyo na lang to. Ito yung game niya. Ayan. So, kung gusto nyo i-try ito, meron sila mga videos dito guys kung paano laruin to. Ayan. So, kung makikita nyo, ito yung sample actually ng game nila. Kaya this is good rin guys kung gusto nyo laruin ng game. Kasi may mga samples tayo dito. Ayan, so you can click here to join for free para di kayo mahuli din dito guys. Ayan, so by the way guys, ito lang yung review natin regarding dito sa Dark Country. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang review natin today, just don't forget to leave a like and mag-subscribe na rin kayo. So yun lang and see you guys sa ating next na video.